Welcome to Knowledge Assumption. In today's guide, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Vantage app safely and quickly. I'll display the steps on the screen. Please make sure you follow each one of them. Start by opening the Vantage app on your device and log into your account. From the dashboard, you can locate the Funds or Account section. This is where you manage deposits and withdrawals. Click on Withdraw Funds and you will be promoted to select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or e-wallet. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and fill the necessary details for the chosen method. Double check that all the information is correct, then click on Submit button. Withdrawals may take a few business days to process, depending on your bank or e-wallet provider. Keep an eye on your email for any confirmation messages or updates. If you face any issues, Vantage support is always available to assist. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and app tutorials.